Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's a different company other than Logitech that I've been doing recently. It's a mechanical keyboard that I ordered from Amazon. It's an Epomaker X Aula F75 Max mechanical keyboard designed by Aula. And I guess Epomaker is the distributor here in the US, but Aula is the one that makes these keyboards. I'm really excited to open it and like start using it. This is my first time using a mechanical keyboard. I've been using um normal keyboards the previously, but I'm really excited to finally have purchased one. I really researched into it. I was confused between the Keychron K8 if I remember it correctly, or this one, and I wanted something under the budget of like $80 or something, but this was the best option that I could get. There was multiple different ones, F75, 75 Pro, 75 Max, and this was the one that I finally went with. So yeah, let's just start with the unboxing, see what's around the box. There's just all our branding on all these sides. Just the features, innovative gasket, Necro and all keys. I don't know what that is. I'm not really sure. I didn't really do that. I just wanted a mechanical keyboard. 3 or 5 pins, hot swappable, dynamic 16 million RGB lights, 80 key layout, and I've got the non-numpad version, like the 75%. That's why the 75 name is there. If you want the full version with the numpad, you can get the F99. That's better for you. But I had limited space, so I wanted a smaller 75% one. And yeah, let's just see what's written. F75 Max. It's made in China, so it came from all the way there, but yeah, let's just start with the unboxing and see what's inside of it. I'm surprised there's no like sticker or something to hold it like when you have for new products, but leave it. So some user manual, will get onto it later, but oh, there's a plastic frame to it. Just something explaining the layout of the keyboard. If you want to see a lot of different things written on it. TFT screen. Oh, this one has a screen as well. I'm really excited to use that. Bluetooth version, 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Oh my god. Whoa. There's one thing about gaming keyboards or gaming companies, they make their product looks really good. And yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It feels so good. And there were like different key switches also, which had like naming on top or on the side, but I wanted something on the top, so I got this. And it's a little bit heavy, but I don't care. I love it. There's like a volume knob. The TFT display. Oh, and there's this 2.4 gigahertz connector. We really wanted that. I'll connected this to my PC. And there are 3 modes in it: Bluetooth, wired, or 2.4 gigahertz, whatever you want it to be. So I wanted the 2.4 gigahertz one. And yeah, I'm just loving doing it. But anyways, this was the keyboard. This was the box. I'll be using this as my primary keyboard from now on. If you guys have any questions for it, if you're interested in it, just let me know. Oh, we left some things in here. Oh, it says additional accessories. I didn't see it, sorry. I guess we do have some additional keycaps, key switches, if you want to change. I guess this is a tool to change it. I've not really researched about this. And this is just a cable to use it in the wired mode, but yeah, that's all for it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or just wanted anything to know about this thing, and I'll be happy to answer that in the comments, and I'll also post a link of it in the comments or in the description section. If you're interested, you can check that out from there, and if you're interested, just go ahead and buy it. But yes, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.